If you're familiar with Happy Body organic sulfur crystals, you know that they are an amazing mineral supplement that can help the body in so many ways, it's almost unbelievable. MSM serves as a powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving compound. It supports joint health, acts as an amazing detoxification tool, helps eliminate fatigue, and can also help improve the appearance of your hair, skin, and nails by lending vital sulfur to the proteins that they rely on. Happy Body Premium MSM Drops are a fantastic addition to our roster that allows MSM to be utilized in even more ways and are a great addition to using our organic sulfur crystals. Our premium MSM drops are an all-natural, versatile option for enhancing essential oils, adding sulfur boosters to your health drinks such as teas, protein shakes, and smoothies, which is also great for vegan dietary support. They can also be used in homemade beauty products and for different topical applications. MSM drops are also a great option for administering MSM to our smaller pets. Just a few dropperfuls mixed into their food can provide great benefits for cats or smaller dogs. This amazing all-natural product contains just 3 simple ingredients: pure premium quality distilled MSM, purified distilled water, and an all-natural sea salt stabilizer. These drops are a diluted solution of 15% MSM, which is easily the most MSM found in any MSM solution on the market today. The bottle comes equipped with a small glass dropper, so you can easily measure the amount of MSM drops you wish to add to whatever it is you're making. Many customers find that adding just a dropperful to health drinks provides a pure sulfur boost that helps increase absorption and digestion of crucial nutrients and provides the pain, inflammation, and fatigue-fighting benefits of sulfur throughout the day. We have had hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers sharing the ways that they use Happy Body Premium MSM Drops. There are so many different ways you can incorporate them into your daily routine, and they're a great way to ensure you're getting a constant supply of MSM into your system. A common use for the drops is to add them to essential oil rollerball blends to use topically. It's a great way to relieve minor skin irritations and rashes, or to aid conditions such as eczema or psoriasis. The addition of MSM to your rollerballs can also increase the absorption and efficacy of the essential oil's phytonutrients. You can also add our MSM drops to essential oil diffuser blends to increase absorption of the inhaled essential oils. Our MSM drops also provide a total beauty supercharger for hair, skin, and nails. For thicker, softer, more lustrous hair, simply add some MSM drops to your leave-in hair conditioner to provide some added sulfur to your roots. Each of our hair follicles relies on an adequate supply of sulfur for strength and growth. Thicker, faster-growing hair has been reported back in just a few months of consistent use. Also used for amazing skin toners, creams, and serums to provide invaluable sulfur directly onto the skin for a clear, glowing complexion. Add to nail soaks to increase the speed of growth, thickness, clarity, and the strength of your nails. We provide many recipes for our MSM drops below that can be easily downloaded for your convenience. Although MSM drops have not been specifically mandated by the FDA for use as eye drops, many customers have anecdotally reported to us that they love using 1 or 2 drops once or twice a day to help relieve dry, tired eyes, clear up floaters from their vision, and to greatly improve general eye health. Just remember, if you do decide to apply anything to your eyes, you must always ensure complete cleanliness and sterility of the applicator dropper, bottle, and solution. If you are interested in this type of application, you can do a quick Google search on MSM and eye health or MSM and floaters, and you'll be sure to find a lot of additional helpful information. Always remember, what's right for one may not be for some. When it comes to using the MSM drops in this way, it's a very personal choice, and if you have any specific concerns about your personal situation, you should definitely consult your primary healthcare provider first. MSM drops are amazing for utilizing the awesome power of MSM in a variety of different ways and are just another great option for enhancing your intake of sulfur. Click on the links provided in the description below to see all of our recipes, tutorial videos, and to find out how to order all of our Happy Body products. We are always happy to address any questions or concerns, so feel free to contact us via email or direct through our customer support line, which you can also find in the description below. And remember, friends, a healthy body is a happy body.